Stability AI recently launched SDXL 0.9, the most advanced development in the Stable Diffusion text-to-image suite of models. Unlike Midjourney, Stable Diffusion models are open-sourced and free to use for everyone. Here are some comparisons to show how much SDXL has improved in just 2 months. You can feed the model negative prompts on top of the regular prompt. Although the examples are cherry-picked, hand generation has also been improved, as can be seen by other user-generated images such as these. SDXL 0.9 can be used on clipdrop.co, although there are waiting times and usage caps for free users. From my own testing, the hand generation realism has gotten a lot better. Third-party sites such as Night Cafe will also support SDXL 0.9 from 26 June, along with API access and Dream Studio support. The source code of the model will be released in mid-July, using which you can run SDXL 1.0 locally for free. Speaking of running locally, SDXL 0.9 can be run on a system with just 16 GB of RAM and an RTX 20 series or above card with a minimum 8 GB of VRAM. Community optimizations and support should be able to bring this down even further.